My dear brothers and sisters, if we are to describe the actions or experiences of Jonah and Jesus, we heard how they both enjoyed the close and intimate conversation with God. Nakausap nila ang Diyos. The disciples might be thinking how Jesus was praying. Was it through movements? Was it through numbers or many movements or rites? Through other ways that are alien to them? But when they asked the Lord how was he praying, he might give the summary answer like this: talk to God and know that you have a reachable God. Kausapin ang Diyos at manalig na abot kamay ang Diyos. In the seminary, we were taught to pray the liturgy of the hours for at least 3 times a day. Morning prayer, midday prayer, and evening prayer. But bonus to that, the seminary schedule would encourage us to pray our individual prayers or personal prayers during our free time, before or after classes. Pero alam po ninyo, madami din naman pong pagkakataon na ako rin naman ay madaming mga nailalabas na salita habang nagdadasal. Pero hindi naman laging may lumalabas ding mga salita sa puso ko o sa labi ko. I just sometimes saw myself silent as I was just like looking at Jesus face to face. Although no words came out, that moment and at every prayer moment, God never ceases to tell me, you can talk to me. Just take your time. And I wish to remind you, abot kamay ako. Mga kapatid, may Diyos tayong nakakausap, may Diyos tayong abot kamay. God would not mind how angry or dry are our souls when we pray. But because He reaches to touch, He is ready to make things beautiful for you. While we pray, we might have countless words to say, but because we can talk to God and we can reach out to God, we let Him give us our daily bread, and from Him, His daily graces for us. Pero sana po, hindi lang po ito nahahantong sa kung papaano tayong nakikiisa sa Diyos. Kung nakakausap ang Diyos at abot kamay ang Diyos, sana po tayong mga anak ng Diyos, nakakausap at abot kamay din. Today we remember St. John the 23rd. His vision of the church led that more than the church as a symbol and truth, today and forever, the church is hopefully reachable and would open its gates for conversation and dialogue na ang simbahan nakakausap at abot kamay. Thank God today for social media. That reality made the church reachable even though we are from different places. Thanks be to God for extending your hands to serve the needy, to give your time for church activities, to be active in your church's apostolate. And thanks be to God for you, our dear people, for coming over us, for approaching us, your pastors, to seek God's blessings, to check on us, and to assure us of your support. Handog po namin at handog po natin ito na dahil anak tayo ng Diyos, nakakausap tayo at abot kamay tayo. My dear brothers and sisters, let us go out with this hope that we have a God whom we can talk to and reach out to, and that we are here for each other, nakakausap at abot kamay.